Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hakasngi Rakhe baman la Snem ha Jylla Meghalaya menta Snem 8,000 apun riu ke Jylla kalai kenjo syakasan pusau Snem ke jingyo Jylla Pura. Ha ke babaro ke dongkatan ke Jylla kala Rakhe ya ke nikasngi bakarpang. Menta ke kentiru ke Deputy Commissioner's Office kala penlong ya ke program HDC Ophis Campus. Ha ketika sengi ladan lang u Father Richard Majau u Vicar General ke Archdiocese ke Nongba Shillong lembat ki dekat ke Shillong All Faith Forum kilawan banisha minta bat kiwe de ki nong shakhat ngobha. Haba ai jingkran na kaliang ke Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills ke Kongruzata Kurba ke loong ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kala kenjo Sanpulai Snem ke jingyo e ke Jylla Pura. Bat kalayat san pusau teligi Snem balabu nong rim nadu Snem shia jar kandai spa nyopuar. Kalai kuble ye kilong shwa ki bala no hashwa. Ki bala tray shitom ban yo ye khun na kabenta kahok ki jat bin rio ban yo ya ka Jylla Pura. Lapin po pen pieng ya ketika program da ki jingroi na ki samla bal ki jingshat na ki kenhun ka self help group.
The 54th Foundation Day of Meghalaya. It's 53 years of statehood, but 54th Foundation Day. This occasion invites us to remember the long and determined struggle that leads to the creation of our state Meghalaya as a full-fledged state on 21st January 1972. This state, as you all know, was carved out of the erstwhile state of Assam. We pay tribute to visionary leaders and countless individuals who worked relentlessly to secure a separate hill state, grounded in the aspiration, identity and rights of its people. Their efforts laid the foundation for a state that reflects the district cultural, social, and historical character of its indigenous community. Over the past 5 decades, Meghalaya has made a steady progress across various sectors while preserving its unique heritage, tradition, and ecological richness. Our state stands apart from its vibrant cultural diversity, strong community institution, and extraordinary natural landscape. As citizens, we share a collective responsibility to contribute to its growth. This includes safeguarding our environment, upholding our cultural values, strengthening social harmony, and participating actively in the democratic and development process of the state. As we look ahead, let us recommit ourselves to the sustainable growth that balances economic progress with environmental conservation, ensuring that the future generation inherits a state that is prosperous, inclusive, and resilient. On this day, let us dedicate ourselves to continue progress while maintaining our own identity and self-respect. In the words of late Soso Tham, quote, "Jingshai ni wat, saudong patay, jingshai kari ngim tibe." For light we seek all over the world, the light we own, we know not at all. Our motto should be, our state upright. We maintain our heritage, our dignity of being a tribal state. That is something we should not forget, and we should not ape to the end that we forget our own.